Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to compare the Antutu Benchmark test results between the Mi11X versus the Poco X3 devices. You can see here, friends, the Poco X3 has got a Snapdragon 732G processor, and whereas the Mi11X has got the Snapdragon 870 chipset, friends, as you can see here clearly. So this is a quite comparison between the mid-range segment versus the premium end segment mobile phone. So let's see how much Antutu Benchmark test results difference you can actually expect between these both of the smartphones. So that is a main motive of me doing this kind of comparison. And make sure to subscribe and also stay tuned for more interesting comparison with other smartphones, friends. Don't forget to check the links and description for other videos which I reviewed in my channel. So let's get started with this kind of Antutu Benchmark comparison between both the phones. So you can clearly see there's a difference of the GPU as well. Adreno 650 versus the 618 which is present in this Poco X3 device. So you can clearly see the both phones. So let me try to quickly open the Antutu Benchmark application and combine the scores side by side. The Antutu Benchmark test has been successfully done already previously. So let me try to quickly compare the scores only. So both phones are running the latest Antutu Benchmark version 9 as well. As you can see, friends, both phones are running the latest version, and you can see the difference of scores. It's kind of close to double the performance of this Poco X3. So before the version 9, in the version 8, the score in this Poco X3 used to be close to 2,70,000, and after the updating of Antutu Benchmark version to 9, then the score increased to 3,35,000, and you can clearly see here, and 6,86,000 in this Mi11X device. You can see the difference in the GPU, especially the GPU is kind of double the performance of this phone. So you can clearly compare both the phones in terms of the Antutu Benchmark test results, as you can see here. And for more kind of this kind of comparison, make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Tech, and don't forget to check the links and description as well. And thank you, friends, for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.